Alright, let's keep going here. Oh, that's not the right button. I want this, I think. Oh god. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Golly, I hope I make it. Full disclosure, right now. This won't matter in the future, but it's probably pretty applicable to most people's interests. At the time of this episode releasing, had some pretty serious technical difficulties trying to record this and the subsequent, like, 4 or 5 episodes. The audio didn't capture for some reason, and I forgot to make separate save files for the game, so the game autosaved like an hour past this point. I guess that's one of the caveats I didn't think of for recording this way. Oh, that was weird. So, it kind of took a lot to sit down and play through the game again to get back up to this point, and then also play through the same stuff that I've already commentated over. It's kind of a bitch to do that, but dang, man, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? So, we're back on track. I got a fuck ton of different save files set up, so that won't happen again. We're good to go. Let's take this guy down.
You sure showed him.
I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Drek, and we here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am?
Sure. We need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
Ah, you think too much. Come on, let's go.
I'm calling BTS today.
Oh my god. Can we just discuss how amazing the title of Supreme Executive Chairman is? I love that. So, Frank, what do you do? Oh, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman over at, Frank Corporation. I made my own corporation. We destroy planets. What do we want right now? What's a good... Let's get a bomb glove up in this bitch. That's right. That's right. You blow the fuck up, bitch. Bitch, you blow up, bitch. I think I might have more bolts than I did previously as well. Oh well, yeah. I don't give no shits, motherfucker. The song on this level is great as well. All the music is good. I don't think there's any bad music in this game. 0 bad songs, sir. Is this where I came out of? No. Dude, this little alcove always threw me off as a kid. I forgot about this place. There's like nothing back here. It's just this little alcove that they have an isometric camera for. Like the camera locks in place there so you can go back in that little area. And there's nothing going on. It's weird. Yo, the Glove of Doom.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hi. We can't get it, man. I want to get it, but we can't get it. Oh god, don't fall off. Thank you. Let us continue onward and forthward into the unknown realms of silliness. This game is beginning to remember that this series is basically a bunch of just straight up bolt collecting. What do you do in this game? Collect bolts. What else do you do? You use those bolts to buy things so that you can use the things you buy to collect more bolts. Oh. Good. Oh, look at that insertion. Oh, that's so satisfying. In more ways than one. Seriously though, just how it looks like putting like a finger in butter or something like that. It's like legitimately satisfying in a non-sexual way. Like I want to watch that thingy go into the tree stump multiple times. If you catch my drift, my non-sexual drift. Don't smack the goddamn bolt, you silly bitch. Such a funny animal. Oh, hello? I don't want to be this. I don't want to be here doing that. That's not what I want. All that I want is another baby. Oh, whoa. All that I want is another baby. This is kind of a boring planet. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Just kind of like go in a big circle and don't die. I guess that's what a lot of the planets are now that I think about it, but for some reason this one's just extra not exciting. What is with the warping rocks? I don't get it. I don't get it. It freaks me out every time. Every time it happens, the textures on the rocks start moving. Oh, it's weird. Boing. Boing. Dude, I could throw this wrench all day, baby. All day, baby. Boop. Got him. Got him. All day, baby. I really put a wrench in his plans. I feel as though there's a secret about, and it's my job to find it. I feel personally responsible for finding a secret. There probably isn't one, but I don't know. Is there one on top of there? No? That texture just went away. What is with the textures in this game, dude? It's almost like it's an early PS2 game or something. Weird. Boom, boom. Boom. Throwing wrenches all day. I told you I would. What you want me to do? I'm sorry. I'm back. Haha. I'm sure you're having a blast watching me do this shit. Literally just running around doing nothing right now. Like, there's no objective, no goal. It's just like, hey, there's more place to go forward. We should go forward now. Shouldn't we be at the other planet? No, silly! I can't do the voice acting in this game. I wish I could do a Clank voice. That would be fun. Maybe I should work on that. Literally Scooby-Doo. I love Clank's Scooby-Doo laugh. Oh! Do we get to insert this? Oh, yeah. Yeah, so good. I love it. I love it! It's smooth like butter. Uh-oh. Oh. If we wanted to, we could jump off of this and reinsert it. That would be amazing. Boing. Boing. That's all you got? Damn. What a blowhard. Why did I get Glove of Doom ammo when I do not have the Glove of Doom? Boop, boop. Motherfucker. Boop, boop. Boop. Boop, boop. Oh god! Wow, I made it up there. Weird. Not expecting to. Doing. God, I feel like I'm missing so many things. Oh! Got him. All day, baby. Oh, this isn't the end? I thought this was the end for a second. That was odd. I should be doing this more. Go faster. Ow. Maybe faster. I don't know. Okay. It doesn't really tell you which way to go. It's just like, try and not fall and die. That'd be smart. Dude. This guy. Got him! Good shit. I don't know how that other one died there. That was wrong. That's okay. Get him together. Oh, it's not gonna hit. It's a shame. Hello? Where'd the other one go? Two of them. Be fair. Oh God! I did not know you were there. Hello? Wow! That was intense, dude. That was so intense that it was like a circus. What a good joke. Sweet!
Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as high-caliber missiles. Caution, enemies must be small enough to fit inside the barrel.
Yo, we can't suck up big enemies? That's lame. So we get the weapon that they mention in the, that good old video that we saw about,
BTS!
and now we get to test it out. Oh God, that's a problem. That's a big problem. Hello? Where did... What the... Interesting. So it can only hold so many enemies, and then as soon as it gets full, you start firing them back. If you let go of the suck button, and then press it again, it'll fire them back immediately, so... Good weapon for some instances, but not the best overall. And I don't feel like buying the Glove of Doom right now. I don't want to watch this shit!